What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2026 Kia K5. This K5 has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So taking a look at the engine bay, if we look off to the driver's side towards the front, we see this item right here. What we're going to do is come over here and grab right here and just pick up, and that'll fold over like that. Now what we're going to do is fold these two tabs down. You can see this one right here. Fold that down into the unlocked position. Same thing with this one. That will fold down into the unlocked position like that. Once those two tabs are in the unlocked position, this whole filter will pull out like this. This is our actual filter right here. And again, I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement filters. Once you have your new filter, it's going to fit in this orientation. Just slide in. We'll lock those two tabs into place and then fold that cover down. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.